Hi everyone, I'm Sabina. I'm one of the co-founders of Arcus, which is part of the collaborative mind pillar within the Pure Power Now innovation ecosystem. At Pure, we bring together startups, researchers, and companies to develop real solutions for the energy transition. And Arcus is the framework we created to help your ideas, move from vision to reality. Arcus is a structured system for turning ideas into real, scalable products. It's not another accelerator or consulting program. It's a practical process that helps founders navigate the messy middle between idea and impact. Our mission is simple: to help you validate your vision, build traction faster, and create something that lasts. You've probably heard the stat that 9 out of 10 startups fail. But it's not usually because of technology, it's because they build something nobody actually needs. And that's the problem Arcus was designed to solve. Arcus is a development framework. It gives structure, guidance, and access to the right support at the right time. It's built from real experience with startups, investors, and researchers, and now it's part of the Pure Power Now hub. We created Arcus to connect vision with measurable impact. Every startup journey begins with excitement, energy, ambition, and a big idea. But somewhere along the way, things get complicated. You start juggling market fit, financing, product development, and that's where most teams get stuck. At Arcus, we call the stage the impact helix, the curve between chaos, traction, and growth. Our framework helps teams navigate the curve step by step through what we call the impact model, 6 phases that map the real journey from idea to market. Arcus is built around 6 clear phases that mirror how successful startups evolve. I is for identify, understand the real problem worth solving. M stands for match, develop a solution that fits the problem. Prove, validate your model with real user. A is for adapt, refine until you reach product market fit. And C, commit, scale your impact and market reach. And T stands for thrive, build sustainable growth. At each step, Arcus provides tools, mentorship, and testing opportunities, helping you stay focused on what really drives progress. So, how do we actually work with startups? Arcus supports teams in 3 ways. There's one-on-one mentoring and diagnostics to map where you are in the journey and to help you scale faster. Then group meetings where you learn from others going through the same challenges. And there are bootcamps and hackathons like the one that we'll be having on Saturday. Short, intense sessions that help you apply the framework directly to your project. So the goal is always the same: give you a clear view of your next step, what to test, who to talk to, and where to focus. Arcus works because it fills the gap between accelerators and consultants. Accelerators often stop after the demo day, and consultants give advice but don't stay long enough to make it work. Arcus combines both structure and ongoing support. It helps you avoid blind spots, align your team, and move faster without losing direction. But it's not all about chasing investors, it's about building something real and something that creates value. Arcus was developed by our Pure Power Now team, people with experience in startups, investment, and technology transfer. We've built companies ourselves, advised founders, and led innovation projects in energy and tech. So, everything in Arcus comes from experience. It's practical, not theoretical. We built it because we needed it ourselves, and now we're sharing with others. Ideas are easy. Execution is the hard part. Arcus gives you the structure, the questions, and the support to turn your idea into something real. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to start. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. We are starting. So, during this hackathon, explore, test, question everything. And remember, big change begins with a small, well-structured step.